What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well, guys. It's like negative 30 below today on the east coast of Canada. I've got to get out of this place. So currently we're seeing at 0.075. We're up about 3.5 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 4.81 billion, 24-hour volume 252 million. Nice little push up right now for Vechain, as well as the rest of the market. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for $25 in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop over into Vechain. So we're on the 4-hour time frame, guys. Bullish divergence, lower low, higher low on the RSI, as well as the money flow. And we're seeing a nice push up. So if we can break out of this descending channel here, your target is the top of the channel, which is coming in at 0.087, which lines up with our take profit zone, with our dollar cost average strategy. So if we were to break out and we can break above this level of resistance, that would be a juicy trade opportunity of 12% for our friend Vechain. We hit 3 of our buy zones. So if you entered with 500 at your first buy zone, you now have $1,500 in your trade. All right, guys. Now, if we look at the 1-hour time frame, we have trended towards the top section on the money flow, as well as, well, not quite on the RSI. We could definitely push up a little bit higher. But I would watch this level of resistance at 0.076. See the support in this area. Could be flipped as resistance for our friend Vechain. Have a little bit of a double bottom pattern going on here. So we came down, we created a bottom, we created a second bottom. So if we can come up and break our neckline, I'll give you your little breakout target with our little trend line from the bottom of the pattern up to the top, and you pull it out. It can take us right up to our take profit zone at 0.087. Beautiful how that works. All right, guys, so we're going to take a look at the daily time frame for VET. We broke out of this ascending triangle, but we have a bullish divergence on the daily, which is a really strong sign for the bulls. As well as we've trended all the way back down to the bottom section on the money flow, and that's usually when you're going to see a push back up. As you can see right here, push back up. Right here on the money flow, push back up. Right here, push back up. So a beautiful indicator is the MFI, guys, the money flow index. So what we may see here for our friend Vechain is we come up for a retest of this resistance, previous level of support from our ascending triangle. So if we come up, we get rejected, we could see continuation. But if we can have a throwback and we throw back up into the pattern, then we can see that continuation back to the upside. However, we may just consolidate, as I've been mentioning with Bitcoin. It looks like we may see a little bit of a spring here. If we can see a nice push up for BTC, of course, we'll see some nice movement for the alts, but I do think we might consolidate for the next month or so for our friend Bitcoin. And of course, Bitcoin controls the rest. Wow, Phantom's up 11%. Check out my Phantom video, as well as Matic up 10%. Absolutely incredible, guys. All right, guys, so do watch for that retest, and as well watch the EMAs here on the daily. The 20 as well as the 55 could act as resistance for a bet, but I would expect to see a nice push up relatively soon as our money flows in the floor. We're in the floor on the RSI as well. Either a push up or some consolidation, in my opinion, for our friend Vechain. We haven't come all the way back down to our summer low just yet. We are holding the 0.786 if we go swing low up to our swing high on the Fibonacci. You can see we perfectly bounced off the 0.786. So what we want to see is we create a strong level of support, 1 touch, 2 touch, and that will give us more confirmation that we could see that breakout back to the upside. And maybe we'll put in a large double bottom pattern for VET. All right, guys, if we do see some sell-off, of course, we have our technical target all the way down at 0.056 for Vechain. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you want a dollar cost average, make sure to sign up to the Discord, where I'm updating the DCA charts regularly for many crypto projects, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, posting all kinds of juicy information. As you can see here, as of right now, we have massive miner accumulation of Bitcoin. The miners are accumulating Bitcoin at a faster rate since May 2021, which is an extremely bullish sign. So if you want to stay ahead of the game, guys, the price of a coffee, $350 USD. And the value is just incredible for the price, in my opinion. So we'll finish off our video with VET. Our dollar cost average buy zones. Let me close the money flow. Our first entry, 87. We have 76.69. 56, 35. I have one all the way down at 13, which is like a 90% drop, but I'm always prepared, guys. But I do think it's likely that we may see a nice bounce from this level. But if we were to continue to drop, we continue to dollar cost average, we get more money into our trade and we bring down our average price equal amounts as a spot trader. And if you're leverage trading, you have to double your margin. Don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. Top comment in the comment section there. And our bull run targets for Vechain, if we don't lose this low here, our bull run targets based off our Fibonacci and our Elliott wave, the 1.618, 75 cents. The 2 extension coming in at $1.40, which is my target for vet on this bull run. And the 2.272 at $2.17. So that's it for Vechain, guys. Smash that like button. Check out the Discord. Check out Bybit. Check out crypto.com. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.